prices are up 1.3% to $600,000. It's Friday, December 20th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Annapolis still struggles with inventory, though there is 7% more this December than last. Annapolis inventory for sale dropped to 135 for sale. 13 properties are coming soon. 21 homes went under contract in 14 days this past week. 28 homes sold for 100% list to sold ratio in 9 days. Rentals fell to 42 available at $3,100 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, December 20th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your holiday. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.